have come up with one of the craziest ideas ever. I want to do a road trip from 2,500 kilometers with a 35-year-old Nissan Vanette, which is currently with a dead battery. Is it a crazy idea?
Winterland, tell me all your secrets.
Artlist.io.
On your wildest moments. Colored trees, your yellow leaves move me. Dancing moves, your painted red shades of blue. When I get there, I'll let my feet roll. When I get there,
Music licensing reimagined.
I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer. Winterland, you're my sailing ship. Guide me in when you head for your trip.
Artlist.io.
Out of this wicked black and into bright sand, straight toward the warm sun and into his hands. When I get there, I'll let my feet roll.
Vanette is not the only one with a dead battery. Punto also. And the brake was stuck.
Reimagined.
I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer. Winterland, whisper in my ear, make my troubles all
So,
disappear.
it's not really working. I think I'm gonna call it a day. Sun is almost setting. Bertha's drinking rosé. I'm gonna join her. I decided to give it one last try.
I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there,
Music licensing reimagined.
let me know.
Goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. You have been the one for me.
What are we doing? Woo! Going on an adventure! We are going to the house, like the mafia house, I say. It's like a ghost story. So we go into the mafia house because the light is burning, and I had a couple of rosé. So we arrived at a destination, the secret spot. Rosa's ready to go enter the building. Uh-oh. There's the dock that we cannot dock. Whee! Take me home, country road, to the place I belong. This $1 million house, West Virginia. Imagine this breaks. Oh god. Oh god. That's the difference between one bottle of rosé and one glass of rosé. Oh, die voelt eng. Enjoying a chippy out here. Unrestricted area. At the abandoned house.
The abandoned house.
Oops. But we've got the best view with the moon.
Mm-hmm.
We came back from the house. We got scared. We heard a crazy sound, and they were like, "What the fuck? What was that?"
and then we run back. So that was our exciting evening. Right now we're chilling at the dinghy,
Watching the stars.
watching the stars,
We both saw one falling.
and we're hoping for some more falling stars. It's day 2 today. So it turned out yesterday battery of the camera died, and the battery from here, this battery, was completely dead too. So it's broken. We bought a new battery in the store yesterday, and right now I'm gonna replace it.
Artlist.io.
Now that I am yours, now I know that I am yours. You were taking me to places I have never seen before. Now I'm never looking back.
I always make a picture of how it is. So right side, black cable is plus,
Music licensing
And
reimagined.
is minus. The difference is just that on the other battery it's standing there, not there. But space is big enough for it. That's great.
What you did for me, I know your work is final. Your love will hold me up, being close to you is vital. Over and above, you will always be enough.
Moment of truth.
'Cause you are my
Artlist.io.
Oh, it's working! So we can't decide if we're going or not. Brushing her teeth at 3 a.m. PM, I mean.
Ik zeg, wat krijg ik nog van jou? Want don't understand. Nee, dat anders verstaat hij nooit. Maar nu het verkeerd
We're gonna flip a coin to decide if we're going or not. Do you want to flip it?
What is it? This looks like a road, so going.
Okay, this, the tree, is going, and the other side is not going. Of the flip it.
Go?
Yeah. Guess we're not going. Ja, eigenlijk wel, hè? Wat dacht jij?
Daarom, ik dacht ook, oh.
Nou. Mijn achterkant, dat was het. Yeah, we're going! We can't go! No!
Plans have changed. Bad luck happened.
So the brakes did not brake anymore. And
I was at home already calming myself down. We're gonna go. Because I have a big planning that I had to figure out. And then I texted Rosa, okay, let's go.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
She just showered.
I just had my panic attack, so it was great. And then I was ready. 25 minutes later.
We came back and the car was, well, it's drivable, but it's not safe. Especially not
It drives,
for
it does not
2,500
brake.
kilometers. We'll keep on driving probably, but
No, well, so that didn't go as planned.
no.
And now it's Monday and you were thinking maybe this morning we could fix the car, but then it will be like, is it possible to fix it? Your father checked it and he said, well, it's not safe. We really have to take it to the mechanic.
Yeah.
So that's what we're gonna do now. So probably.
And we can't really postpone it because Marita needs to be home on Tuesday.
Yeah, on Thursday. My sister's
Thursday?
birthday.
Oh yeah, Thursday.
And I have another birthday and I have some work I have to do for my remote job. So it was according to plan if we left yesterday evening. It was tricky, but we could do it. But now it's a little bit too late.
Also, we had one day of planning.
Yeah.
So it was more like a joke. I said, hey, why don't we drive home with the Vanette? And she was like, okay, let's do it. And then the joke turned out to not be a joke anymore.
That I should have realized when I said let's go that
I'm crazy enough to say, okay, let's go.
that it turns into a real plan. But we were excited, but fortunately not happening.
No. Marita flies home tomorrow morning. I bring her to the airport with a working car.
The big one. The Punto is not working, right?
No. Also battery dead.
Oh, alright.
We have the car problems are a family curse.
Yeah.
We call
They
it
are.
a family curse.
So we're also happy that we're not in Spain somewhere stuck.
Because my dad was
Yeah.
when he drove here.
With a good car.
Yeah. So basically the family curse, the Van der Lem curse, consists of every time when we take a car and go on holiday, it breaks down. I had a conversation with it last time with my sister about it, like I think a month ago. And I said, okay, you'll bake me a pie when the car breaks down, and otherwise I will bake you a pie. And she said, okay, let's do it. And then she called me and she says, Rosa, you get a pie from me. I was like, what? I didn't remember anymore. And it's like, oh, the car broke. See, I told you so. So there's one thing or one like factor that makes the curse not go so bad. It's my boyfriend. He's a car mechanic, and I always say the cars are too scared to break down, or the cars are just good. We drive with.
So if he comes on holiday, then you're fine.
So if he would fly here to drive
Oh.
home with me, I think then maybe.
The fun will work.
Yeah.
But does he have to do anything before the
No,
cars,
he
or just have to be there?
He just has to be there.
It's like the energy.
And check the oil and stuff.
Oh, yeah,
but
okay.
fill up the water. And say, be a good girl. Otherwise. The car, I mean.
You as well, I think.
Okay. I'm being used for a glasses cleaner.
Perfect.
Glad to be of your assistance. Tour of the car. We have a very nice space here where we can lay our phones and wallets and
Some food and drinks.
all the stuff. We have a very nice thin steering wheel here. A dog. That was kind of broken. You can take it off. Yeah, and then pull. Wiggle, pull. Combination. Yeah, it's out.
Oh, look at this.
Well. Then we have the back. Oh, the doggo is cute. That's the harbor doggo. We've got an electric toothbrush because this girl decided that she needs one on a boat. Also, we just came from the shower. This is the bag here. We would have slept in here, and then here we had some space for the tools.
Artlist.io.
Captain.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
En hier kan dus nog het groot zelf eindigen.
Oh, die mast gaat heel erg. Oeh. Zo. Wat was dat? Oh. Wat was dat? Naar rechts? Nee? Denk het niet? Sorry hoor. Ik ben al opzoeken. Blijf maar. Wat is er? Oh, je gaat er gewoon weer vangen. Moet ik iets doen? Moet ik meehelpen? Stoppen! Stoppen! Yes!
Laat hem naar beneden, oké?
Moet uit? Ja!
Ik ben de kutcamera. Moet je kijken. Kom kijken hoe we naar toe man.
Ja! Ja, doe ik! Doe ik hem dicht? Ja. Dicht.
Kabel ligt eronder.
Hij staat centraal.
Als je er overheen vaart, dan die houdt je niet meer.
Gaat ze dan?
Daar
Daar
gaat
gaat
ze.
ze dan.
Dankjewel.
Ja.
Ja. Hey. Dan ging ik heen met mijn passer en mijn koersplotten en nu ga ik terug met mijn broer naar
Een
Hoelen.
souvenir!
Mas punya orang